बता देते हैं। आपके स्वभाव का भी देख करके आपके भी इंद्रिय आदि देख करके भी वो बता देते। इंद्रियों जैसे आँख है, कान है, ये सब आपसे देख करके वे लोग गणना करते रहते हैं।
कौन लोग?
समुद्र विज्ञान का।
कौन लोग? कौन लोग?
क्या बोला? सामूहिक विज्ञान, एस्ट्रोलॉजी का।
So according to astrology, after seeing your face, your senses and all the things, they can tell you about your character, your whole life, that how long you will live and whatever you will get or lose. So why some people are, and they are controlling something by their mantras, which is called the Vashikarana mantra. So the people who are doing all these kinds of things, so they have to suffer, because if they are mostly in these cases, the people who are doing these kinds of controlling mantras and attracting towards attracting someone, so what happens at the end? What happened with these kinds of peoples, that they take all the karmas of that peoples, so they have to suffer at least, because Jeev has to suffer his karmas. So where these all karmas will go? So these all karma will go to that person who is controlling them. So that's why we have seen many kinds of tantric, the person who controls by their mantras, so they suffer so much at the time of death, because they take others karma, they take others people's karma on himself. That's why they some are doing upkar for good to others, and some are doing apkar. Apkar means they are taking their karmas. So these all kinds of sadhus called kapalik sadhu. What they used to do? So they used to sit in the cremation places. So there, what they used to do? They used to do some sit there in any asana and do the mantras, tantras, and attract the peoples, get some siddhis. Also, it is so in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is mentioned also chapal, jhapal, like this. They all are tantra mantra upasak. Even they have committed offences in the feet of Srinivas Thakur. And they got leprosy in their neck. It is mentioned in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. In the Chaitanya Bhagavad it is also described. That's why Jeev should not do like this. So why Indulekha is doing all these things? Because she is serving for Radha Krishna. So this is a Leela only. Just I told you, at the time of Radhaji, rainy season, and there is a drizzling, she is going to meet with Krishna, which is called Avisar. So at that time there are many snakes comes out from their holes. So this is all kinds of lok lila, general lila is going on. So that's why Indulekha, by the Nag mantra, for controlling the mantra, controlling for Nags, they are reciting some mantras. So our Raghunath Das Goswami is describing this Vrindavan is transcendental world. This is a Chit Dham. There is in this transcendental world, all the things which are there, they are not giving any harm to anyone. And everything is arranged by the Yog Maya. Some got the form of a scorpion, they used to bite. But in that transcendental world, the scorpion, the snakes, they never bite. just they are making the favorable they are doing the activity for favorable for the pastimes of Radha and Krishna, that how they can meet. So they are just fearing the people. So these all are fearing the people. So for the Lok Leelas, Indu Lekha, she is reciting some Tantra Mantra and controlling the snakes. Do you know Dantranjan? What is Dantranjan?
दांतों में अनेक प्रकार जो है ये करते हैं, म्यूजिक नक्शा सही करते हैं, देखा आपने? दांत भी इतने सुंदर दिख रहे हैं।
नहीं, म्यूजिक है।
इसमें दंतरंजन।
What is that?
अनेक प्रकार जो है वो ये करते हैं।
Decoration. The Dantranjan means that they are decorating the teeth with so many ways. Just like they used to put on so many kinds of ornaments.
रत्न परीक्षा बट्टडोरी आदि कुंठ में सौभाग्य मंत्र के लेख में अन्ना सुनती सुनना है। सौभाग्य मंत्र कैसे हो? जैसे शास्त्र काल में उठ करके क्या करना चाहिए?
कराग्रे वस्ते लक्ष्मी।
वास्तव दर्शन करना चाहिए।
So what everybody used to do? Karagre was so So everybody used to get up early in the morning and he should see his palms and recite the shloka. Karagre vaste Lakshmi, Kar Madhya Saraswati, Kar Mule cha Govindam Prabhate Kar Darshanam, like this. So this will increase your fortune. So whenever early in the morning you get up and you should recite this shlok. See your palms and recite this shlok. So all the unauspiciousness will go away. Inauspiciousness will go away. So what is the speciality in every mantra? Bhagwan's name. So if you tell to somebody, oh, you please get up and chant the holy name of Bhagwan, so he won't do. They won't chant the name of Bhagwan, but so that's why our scriptures writers, they are very intelligent. So if you tell them that if you chant this mantra in the morning, so you will get so much money, so they will recite that shloka. So there is a mantra, there is a Govind name, that Karagre Vaste Lakshmi, Kar Madhya Saraswati, Kar Mule cha Govindam Prabhate Kar. So Govind name is there. That's why anyhow they will chant the Govind name. So that's why. So you should always suggest to everybody, you should chant the mantra Bhagwan name after getting up from the bed. So if he is not able to chant the name of holy names of Bhagwan, so you should tell him that you should chant this mantra, recite this mantra after getting up from your bed, because there is a power, there is a mantra, in every mantra there is a Bhagwan name, and you have seen that in mantra there is a Govind name. So when the person will get up early in the morning, so before putting the feet on your bed, you should recite this shloka. So what happens? So he will chant the Govind, the name spontaneously, and he will get, and all the inauspiciousness will go away. Hi. So all these kinds of mantra which is told, for after reciting this kinds of shlokas, they can get the taste in Bhagwan name. This is no other reason on. So the scriptures writer, whatever the mantras they have given, so what is the use of that? So anyhow they can chant the holy name of Bhagwan. So maybe they can take the namabhas. There are many kinds of mantras.
सब मंत्र में भगवान के नाम लगा है।
Every mantra has Bhagwan name, Govind name, Vishnu name.
ये सब का नाम
It's all there.
इसलिए लोक लीला के
That's
बाद
why
ये
for the
कहता है
Lok Leelas it
कि
is saying
सौभाग्य आदि मंत्र लेख में अत्यंत
this is called the Saubhagya mantra, the fortune mantras.
ये तुम्हारी सौभाग्य कैसे होगा?
That how you can get the auspiciousness in your life.
प्रकार की जो सौभाग्य
So if you tell that person that you should chant the holy name, so all the inauspiciousness will go away, so he won't chant the mantra. But if you tell them that if you chant recite these kinds of shlokas, so all the inauspiciousness will go away, so then he will recite this shloka. So if he is reciting the shlokas or mantras, so what happens? So spontaneously he is taking the holy name of Bhagwan. So that's why anyhow he is taking the name. So all the inauspiciousness will go away.
वो क्या करेगा? ये तंत्र मंत्र साधु के पास जाएगा,
क्या बोला?
तांत्रिक साधु के पास जाएगा, इधर उधर के पास जाएगा।
So we Gaudiya Vaishnava always directly says to the person, you chant the holy name and all the inauspiciousness will go away. But that person, they won't chant. So if you that's why they go here and there for getting the name, fame and money, because they don't have so much beliefs in Bhagwan name. They cannot chant the holy name directly of Bhagwan. That's why if you say someone that, oh Maharaj, I am so much suffering, if you are suffering, so you should chant the holy name of Bhagwan. If somebody says, oh my business not running properly, so we used to suggest the people, you should chant the holy name of Bhagwan. Everything will be okay, everything will be alright. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
So we used to say to chant this mantras to all the peoples, but they won't believe. So if you tell this person that you hang the 7 chilies and 1 nibu in your shop, so all the inauspiciousness will go away. So they will hang up all these things. So they things like that. And if you tell them that you chant this mantra, so all the inauspiciousness will go away, so they will start to chanting. So it means anyhow they can chant the holy name Bhagwan. So there are many mantras. Without the Bhagwan name there is no mantra is success. There is Bhagwan name is in every mantra. Some people used to go, the people who are smoking, to that person. Some people goes to the person who was taking marijuana. Like there are many kinds of. Some people used to go many kinds of tantric, and they used to take so much money. And we simply used to suggest the people, Arey, you don't need to spend any kinds of money, just you chant the holy name of Bhagwan. But they don't have belief and trust of Bhagwan name. That's why. So that's why they will not chant the mantra. So that's why it is suggests in the scriptures, you just chant the holy name and all the inauspiciousness will go away. That's why Indu Lekha Sakhi. So how Radha Krishna can meet each other, how they can develop so much love with each other. So this is Indu Lekha is showing here.
तथा पुष्पमाला छिन्न भिन्न तथा विभूति हो जाती है। प्राण सखियां असंकोच रूप से कुंज में प्रविष्ट होकर राधा माधव की पुनः वेद रचना तथा श्रृंगार की व्यवस्था करती है। उस समय जो है
So at that time,
राधा कृष्ण के विराट गृह में
in the Bilasgiri of Shri Radha
विराट के
Krishna,
द्वारा
after doing all kinds of playing,
पुष्पमाला आदि छिन्न भिन्न हो जाते
so all their ornaments and their garlands in not a proper places.
प्राण सखियां
So at that time, these pran sakhiyas means
ये
manjari.
क्या करते हैं निसंकोच में जाकर
So
के कुंज में
they used to go in the kunj without any hesitations,
पुनः वेद रचना कर देती है
and they used to make the proper all the things which is not in a proper way.
पालन करने के लिए श्रील दास गोस्वामी जी इस समस्त कलाओं को निपुण हिंदू लेखा के निकट विद्या पर प्रदानकारी प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर दास गोस्वामी
So here Raghunath Das Goswami,
ये प्रार्थना
he is praying,
हे हिंदू लेखा देवी
Hey Indulakha Devi, please mercy upon me,
ये समस्त जो है कलाओं में मैं निपुण हूँ।
so I can be expert in all these kinds of arts.
माला बंधन कौशल से ही पालदासी मंजिल की राधा माधव की प्रतिधान की अभिलेखा पुष्टि हो गई। ये मतलब वर्णन किया विप्लव रचने से गोपी की भागवत दसम स्कंद में 31 अध्याय में पठनीय है। श्रीमद् भागवत कथा वितरणकारी महा प्रधान होते जितने प्रकार के संसार में दान करते
There are many kinds of donor in this society. Who is the topmost donor?
जो भगवत नाम जगत में
Who is preaching the holy name in the world? He is the topmost
भगवान
donor.
के नाम जो जगत में प्रचार करते हैं
So the person who are preaching the holy name of Bhagwan in this world, he is the topmost donor. Tav kathamritam
सप्त जीवनम कलमशावकम् श्रवणमङ्गलम् श्रीमदाततं गोविन्दन्ति ते भूरिता जनम्। कितने सुंदर श्लोक श्रीमद् भागवतम।
So in the Srimad Bhagavatam 31 chapter, this is a beautiful shloka of Gopi Geet.
ये भागवत की
Silent.
विस्तार कथा। ये तब कथा अमृत
Tav Kathamrit.
हे कृष्ण
Hey
आप
Krishna,
अमृतमयी कथा
your nectarian katha
और जनों के लिए जीवन स्वरूप है।
is just like a life for the person who are suffering in the separation. There are many kinds of experienced devotees. They used to glorify these kathas.
मात्र से ही
So your auspicious or nectarian Hari Katha, after hearing that,
दूर हो जाए।
all kinds of suffering go away,
सर्व संपद स्वरूप
and all kinds of auspiciousness and the topmost prema bhakti will manifest it in the heart. That's why the person who are doing your katha and kirtan
वितरण करते हैं
and distributing these things, so nobody is the top donor like them. So in this world we have seen there are many kinds of donor who used to donate so many things. Some people are doing to some people used to distribute grains, just like this time pandemic is going on.
महामारी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं लोगों की कैसे है आर्थिक अवस्था कैसे
So the financial status of the people is so much disturbed. They are not they are so much shortage of eating. So some people used to distribute so many kinds of grains to the people. Some are distributing clothes.
दान ये सब करते हैं।
So many people they are distributing according to their level,
नेत्रदान भी करते हैं।
and some people used to donate eyes.
लोग गीत लेकर के जाते हैं लिख में जाते हैं ये मेरे मरने के पश्चात मेरे आँख
So some people used to donate eyes. They used to write on some papers that after that my eyes will be donated to someone.
विज्ञान के अनुसार
So according to the science, so the person who doesn't have the eyes, they used to they can
बहुत लोग ऐसे करते हैं
they can get that eyes and they can see the worlds. Some people used to distribute their parts. There are many kinds of body limbs. So before the death, you have to write on a paper.
होने के बाद उसके सारे
सब अपना अपना अलग टाइम है सबका.
मेरे को 5 सेकंड के अंदर उसके सारे
So after that, all the body parts of the human body, we can use that. So if somebody has written in the will that I will distribute my eyes, I will donate my eyes, so the person who doesn't have eyes, so someone can distribute their eyes to that person, the blind man, so that he can see the world. So this is the progress of science. That's why it is saying here there are many kinds of donor in this world. Donor, yes. Somebody doesn't have money, so people are giving money to them. If somebody's daughter marriage is not happening and he is so much poor, he is not able to expense his money, some people I have seen that they used to give so much money to that person so that he can arrange the marriage of his daughter. So there are many kinds of organization also. They used to organize these all kinds of things, that if somebody doesn't have so much money, so they can arrange the marriage of their daughters. So these kinds of organization take the responsibility. Oh Maharaj, you don't worry, you just get your marriage, you just get the marriage of your daughter, so we will give you money and everything whatever you need. So in this way, they all kinds of donor, they used to distribute or donate these kinds of things. So that's why what is here, it is saying that which is the topmost donor. They are doing well, but which is the topmost? So the topmost donor who are distributing the Bhagwan Naam and Hari Katha. Anyhow, somebody is hearing the holy name of Bhagwan, so all the auspiciousness will come to him. Ajamil was chanting his son's name, and at the time of that, when he was chanting his son's name, Narayan, so what happened? All the Vishnu Dut come to take him. So that's why the people who are going to die just go to him and chant the holy name, Harinam. So always, anyhow they can hear the Harinam. So that's why this is the culture and tradition of our India, that if somebody is going to die or somebody's body is left, somebody has left his body, so everybody should chant the Harinam after around sitting his body. So some people used to say, no, they have that kind of person has died, so what is the use to chanting the holy name? So it is mentioned in the scriptures that if somebody is died, so for some times that soul resides there. So because Atma doesn't want to leave that body, so that's why that soul is going here and there. So if you are chanting the holy name, so that soul will be liberated. All the good things will be happen with that soul. So that's why in many kinds of Garud Puran it is mentioned that how soul is going here and there, how many days soul resides nearby the bodies. So that's why there are some rules and regulation. So that's why there is a ceremony which is called Pindadan. Pindadan so means that now we don't have any relationship with you, so wherever you have come from, so you go there. So if we will not do this kinds of ceremony which is called Pindadan, so that soul will reside at the home in the form of ghost or a spirit. Some people used to go in a ghost yoni. So just like there is an example of Dundakari, because he was suffering, he got the ghost body and he was wandering at the home. Have you heard the story of Gokarna and Dundakari? because he died in that same home
घर को छोड़कर जाना नहीं
and he didn't want to leave that house, that home. So that's why his soul was going here and there.
जो जीवात्मा
So the Jivatma
पाप पाप
who are doing so much sinful activities, so their soul doesn't leave the body so easily.
विशेष करके जो लोग
Especially
आत्महत्या करके मर
the
गए
person who died by suicide, committing suicide,
गले में रस्सी पकड़
they are hanging themselves into the fan, they are committing suicide.
कई विष पान करने से
Some people are drinking poison.
मनोविज्ञान में ऐसे लिखा गया
So it is mentioned in the Manovigyan
मनोविज्ञान किसको कहते
psychology.
और मनुष्य में है
Manovigyan psychology.
जो है आत्महत्या करने के लिए इच्छा होती है
So some person had this kinds of desire in their heart to commit suicide somehow, sometime.
करने के लिए इच्छा होती है
So this is according to the psychology. They don't do,
मन में विचार
but they don't do, but still they have this kinds of thoughts in their mind sometimes to commit suicide, because I am so much suffering in this world, so I should commit suicide. Then how they commit suicide?
पूर्वजन्म में जो किया रात को कम है शरीर में रहना पड़ेगा
So
है रहना पड़ेगा किंतु उनके जब दुख आता है कष्ट होता है सहन नहीं होता है
So whatever you have done in your previous life, so you have to suffer according to that. You will get the happiness and you will get the sorrow. But when they are unable to bear these kinds of sorrows, so they think that I should die, I should commit suicide.
जीव को यदि कोशिश करना भी नहीं है
So Jeev, the soul, never thinks about that.
इसमें कोई मन में चिंतन करना
That's why that Jeev never think about for committing suicide. But according to the psychology,
ऐसी भावना आ जाता है
every human being had this kinds of mentality sometimes in his life that he would like to commit suicide. Maybe he do or don't not do it is, but still he has this kinds of mentality sometimes in his mind, because committing suicide is the topmost sinful activity. That's why Sant Mahatma never thinks about this. The saintly person, they never think about of committing suicide,
और भगवान किसी शरीर अपने
because they knew that according to the wish, just because of according to the wish we got this body, according to the wish of Bhagwan we got this body casually,
वो केचुली को अपने आप छोड़
and after some time according to the wish of Bhagwan we will left this body. So in this way, just like a snake, or according to the time he left his skins shedding, he left his shedding skin. So in this way, whenever whatever the time you have got, so you have to live in this body.
आपको 100 साल रहता
Let's suppose that if you have to live in this body for 100 years, according to your karma, so you have to suffer all kinds of prarabdha.
अपन तो भोगा ही नहीं है
But if you are not able to,
आत्महत्या
if you are not able to bear, you are not able to bear all these kinds of sorrows, so you commit suicide. So what you have to do, you have to suffer also, you have to suffer, that spirit has to suffer,
पनिशमेंट
and there is that soul will get double punishment. That's why we should never think about committing suicide.
पत्र के विधान अनुसार
So this is the
आत्महत्या करना
rules of scriptures, that committing suicide is an offense.
भगवान क्या करते थे
So what Bhagwan used to do with these kinds of people? Bhagwan used to give the Pret Yoni, means the ghost Yoni, which is very suffering.
जो भूत पिशाच
So the person who are committing suicide, they have to go in Pret Yoni.
प्रेत जड़ी जो है घोष जो
Though when they becomes ghosts, so which is very suffering, very suffering, they has to suffer so much.
10 गुना सगुण
So whatever we are suffering in this body, so they has to suffer more than 10 times more than that,
मनुष्य जन्म मिले ना मिले
and then they will get the human body or not, it is not guaranteed.
इसलिए मनुष्य के लिए है
That's why every human being never think about to commit suicide. They shouldn't think about for committing
क्या
suicide.
आत्महत्या करने से आपके सारे
That after committing suicide, all kinds
समस्या
of
समाधान हो जाए
problem will be solved. No,
और भी बढ़ जाएगा।
it will increase
लेकिन
more.
मंदिर में जाना पड़ेगा।
First, you have to go to the Pret in Ghost Yoni, and how long it is only knows by
और
Bhagwan.
फिर प्रयोजनी से फिर
And after Ghost Yoni, you have to go so many kinds of wretched yonis. So,
इसलिए
that's why
आत्महत्या करना।
no one shouldn't commit suicide.
आत्मा की जो भोजन क्या है?
What is the food of the soul is Bhagavad Naam. That's why it is saying Tav Kaphamritam Jiva.
श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुविगृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना कथमृतं तप्तजीवनं कद्विलीलितं कल्मषावपं श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततं भुविगृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना भूरिदा भूरिदा भविष्य दाता कौन
So, who are the topmost donor who are distributing the Bhagwan Katha and Bhagwan Naam everywhere in this world? They are the topmost donor.
देखो
Look,
एक व्यक्ति नाव में जा रहे हैं
there was one man who was going
उसके नाम की
in the boat. So, what happened? His boat drowned and he was swimming into the water.
कपड़ा
His cloth,
जूता
his shoes,
है एक व्यक्ति का उसके कपड़ा जूता आदि लेकर के संरक्षण कर रहे हैं और एक व्यक्ति पानी में कूद करके उसको बचाने के लिए प्रयास कर कौन श्रेष्ठ है आप बताओ जो बचाया सुना कि नहीं महात्मा सुनाई नहीं करा क्या सुना नहीं
there was one person who was going into the boat into the water. So what happened? So suddenly his boat drowned. So what happened? Two person he was suffering in the water. So two person was watching there.
लोग जो है उसके कपड़ा जूता आदि रखते हैं
So one man was saving their clothes and shoes, and other men tried to save that person. So who is the topmost amongst them? So the person who is saving the life, because the shoes and cloth he can get later, but he cannot get his life again. So that's why we are staying in this world, living in this world. This is all Mike.
जो जेल में जो कैदी रहता
So the person who are staying in the prison, so everybody he has to feed by the police to him.
वो कैसे अपराधी तो बाद में विचार जो कोर्ट में होगा
So what kinds of offenses he has committed? So this is the later. This will we think about later. But whatever, if he is staying in the prison, so he has to be feed anyhow. So in this world, there is a rules also. Bhagwan is giving everything to everyone. If somebody has taken birth in this world, so he has to get he will get the food for sure. So that's why Bhagwan is taking care for everybody.
जिसे जो भगवान की कथा का कीर्तन करते
So
हैं
the person who are glorifying the Bhagwan Kirtan and Hari Katha and distributing to everybody, so no one is like donor to them.
दाता शिरोमणि
Data, that's why it is saying Data Shiromani, who is the topmost in all the donors, amongst all the donors who are distributing the Bhagavad Katha and Bhagwan Naam everywhere, who are preaching these all things. So that's why everybody has to preach the holy name as much as you can according to your qualification. That's why Mahaprabhu saying Jeev Jago Gaura Chandra bole Jago bole Pishachani Dori.
एने औषधि माया नासी पार हरि नाम महामंत्र लो
Jai Ho. Everybody has to chant the holy name and distribute the holy name. I have
पुत्र जो है
In this world, many kinds of sons and daughter. After earning the money, they used to go foreign countries for earning money. They used to go. What Mahaprabhu said. So Mahaprabhu said, I have here come to distribute the Krishna Prem. And after getting that Krishna Prema Dhan, what happens? That you will be liberated. And there is no bondage to come again and again in this world. Bhagavan in Gita is saying that person who is gone, who gets my dham, he will never come in this Mrityu lok again and again. Paramam mama. Yat Gatva Nivardantante, like this. So the person who attained my abode, so he won't come again and again in this material world. So when you will come in this material world, so you need food, you need clothes, so everything you need. But if you go to the Bhagwan Dham, so there is nothing is required, only Bhagwan Katha. So that's why it is saying, so those who are distributing your kathas and doing the kirtan of your holy name, so no one is topmost person like him. They are the topmost persons. That's why everybody has to preach the holy name everywhere. That's why Mahaprabhu said, Pratviyati Achayati Sarvatra Prachar Huilamara Nam. More name is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. This is the topmost mantra of Kali Yuga. So the person doesn't know the glory, importance of name, so they used to say, what you have given us. Whatever you do, you have to take food or not. So empty stomach, you cannot chant the name of Gopal. So in this way you have to feed yourself. So people used to say that whatever they have given us on the name and fame, we have to take feed. No, this is true. After chanting this holy name, when you will get the Nam Siddhi, the perfection, so you will go to the Bhagavad Dham, and there is no need to come in this world again and again. That's what Sant Mahatma wants. That's why Sant Mahatma, they used to go in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, and reaching there, they used to serve the Radha Govind. This is showing here. There are many big devotees. Why they used to leave us? Because they have to serve the eternally the Radha Krishna. So in this world, how long we will live, so we will get these kinds of mic feelings, we will jealous with each other, we will get the name, fame and reputations, we will think about that. So after all thinking about all these things, we will leave our bhajan. Yes, it happens or not? Our mind so much disturbs, our mind is going here and there. So you cannot perform bhajan here. So in this way, in the Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham, there is no unfavorable things are there. So here electricity is going on, fan is running, bulb is on, so you have to pay the bills of that. Every month you have to pay the bills, but in the Golok Vrindavan there is no bill you have to pay. Everything is free there. That's why you should go to Golok Vrindavan. So by the nails of the toes of the Bhagwan, all the Chit Jagat, the transcendental world, is glorifying. There is a shlok in the Bhagavad. Suryo, yes. Tadhamam Paramam. Very nice. This is the shlok of Gita. So we are switching fan here. and we are switching the cooler, we have switching the AC, switching on the AC.
किंतु भगवत धाम में जाओ
But if you go to Bhagavad Dham, everything is so much environment there, everything is favorable for bhakti, for serving.
ये न तो भाष विशुद्ध न ध्यान
कौन सा श्लोक
कोई
है?
पर शुद्ध की जरूरत नहीं
न तद्भासयते सूर्यो न शशंको न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धर्मं परमं मम.
So this shlok is saying by Gita in Bhagwan, and this is the beautiful transcendental word. Who want? You would like to go or not? Are you ready to go? You are not ready to go. You are. Gurudev used to give an example. There is a 90 years old lady. There was a 90 years old lady. What she used to do? So she used to collect the wood sticks in the forest, and she used to sell these all sticks into the market, and she gets some money and surviving herself. One day what happened, that old lady collected so much wood in the forest. When she has collected, so how she can lift it that, because it was so heavy. So every day how much she used to carry, so now it was double. So maybe there was some special day, so she has collected so many wood sticks, but now she was unable to. Now she is unable to lift that because she has so much back pain, she has so much knee pain. So in this way, that old lady was 90 years old, so she was suffering from back pain and knee pain. And then how she can lift all these things? So she was not finding anyone into the forest. So what that old lady did, she was expressing her sorrow so much, and she was feeling so much sorrow. She said, when Bhagwan is watching everyone, so why? So Bhagwan is watching everybody, but he is not listening me. As I told, according to the psychology, everybody thinks for committing suicide once in his life. In this way, this old lady also thinking. So Yam Maharaj came into that forest. So that Yam Maharaj said, hey old lady, get ready and come with me. So she said, where? So Yam Maharaj said, I will tell you, don't worry. First you have to go to Yamlok, and Yam Maharaj will think that whatever you have done, the sinful activity or the pious activity. So first you have to go to Yamlok. We are not saying for the Vaishnav, when generally people dies, so after that they has to go Yamlok. Vaishnav don't go there. Vaishnav doesn't go there. So as an ordinary person, they used to go first Yamalaya. Then old lady said, why you are not carrying me? You are carrying to everyone. So if somebody dies in this world, so we express our sorrow. My mother dies, my father dies. So people are expressing their sorrows in this way. But Vaishnav doesn't express their sorrow. We always celebrate the Viraha Maha Mahotsav. There are two meanings. Viraha means dukh, and Mahotsav means pleasure. So how is it possible? Viraha means sorrow, and Maha Mahotsav is festival, is joy. So somebody left the body and you are celebrating. How is it possible? What is this? So what is this actually?
इसलिए वैष्णव में शोक नहीं है।
So Vaishnav never expresses sorrow.
कोई व्यक्ति किसी घर में मर गया, जैसे
Let's suppose
लोकाचार की अनुसार घर में रसोई नहीं बनता है,
so somebody's died, someone died in somebody's home, so 9 days they never cook anything at their home. They used to take food from someone else's house.
ना भी क्या क्या नियम बना देते हैं,
So there are many rules.
जिनमें शास्त्र में लिखा नहीं है।
Some are so many rules has been made by the people which is not written in the scriptures.
टीवी में बैठ कर भी देखो, गाने लगता मूर्ख कैसे
So they are foolish man,
मंदिर
foolish.
में आकर के भगवान के दर्शन नहीं करेंगे।
They don't come to temple and take the darshan of Bhagwan.
मोट हो गया, जवान लड़का चला गया, अब तुम मंदिर में जाकर
Oh, your young son died and you are going to temple and you are taking darshan of Thakurji. You don't do this. So what should I do? Or you go into the temple, you go to your home and watch the television. People suggest to like this. So how people have gone so low? Their mentality is very low nowadays.
मंदिर में चला गया।
Oh, they used to say if somebody is going to the temple, oh you have gone to temple. Oh my God, why have you gone to temple? Oh, now you are chanting the holy name. Oh, no one should in the holy name shouldn't chant the holy name.
दान कुछ करना है, पुण्य कर्म कुछ करना है, क्या करें?
So no good deeds you have to do.
करना पड़ेगा ना।
So what you have to do? So what should I do? So you have to do one thing, that you go and watch the TV and watch the stupid nonsense thing in the television. So this is the lower mentality. This is good. People used to say, this is good.
इसलिए शास्त्र में लिखा है, हमारे बच्चों ने
That's why in the scriptures our Bhakti Vinod Thakur mentioned one lake.
शास्त्र लिखा है।
What is the difference between shok and viraha?
इस संसार में जो लोग मर जाते हैं,
So if in this world somebody dies, so this is called shok, the sorrow. But the Vaishnav, they dies, it is not shok, it is viraha. This is ashok. Shok, it is ashok. There is no sorrow.
हाँ दुख तो है, दुख में देखो दुख है, कृष्ण भक्त बिना बिना
Yeah, there is a little bit sorrow that we have lost one Vaishnav. This is Mahaprabhu asked the same question to the Rai Ramanand.
भी माने विशेष।
So viraha means we means special, raha means milan, so special meeting. So all the kathas we used to remember, pastimes, all that kinds of Vaishnav we used to remember.
शोक शब्द नहीं लिखा है।
There is nothing like written like shok. That's why it is written viraha. We used to write always viraha.
विरह होना चाहिए,
That's why we must have viraha.
उसके स्मरण पर। और उसी स्मरण से क्या होता है तुम्हारा? उनकी रूप गुण लीला आदि चिंतन होते हैं।
So when you remember this all kinds of Ram, Roop, Guna, Leela of that Vaishnav,
किंतु अंतर हृदय में
so externally they are crying, but internally they are remembering those Vaishnavas. Just like Gurudev passed away, went away, so where is he? So we have to remember.
सेवा है, रमण मंदिर के रूप में।
So now he is serving in the Raman Manjari at Golok Vrindadam and serving Radha Krishna.
चिंतन करते हैं। और उनकी क्या, जब इस शरीर में हम उस समय उनकी चिंतन, उनकी स्नेह प्रीति की चिंतन करें,
So when we remember in this body his pastime, his activity,
तो हमारे प्रति कैसे दयालु थे।
so how much merciful he was upon us.
उनकी चिंतन करो।
So when we will remember all his virtues,
हमारे प्रति कैसे दयालु, ठीक है?
how much he was so much merciful upon us. So we have to remember all these kinds of things.
यदि कोई वैष्णव चल जाए, वैष्णव के समय क्या करें?
If some Vaishnav pass away,
उसको चिंतन करना नहीं।
so we shouldn't never think about his avgun, the disqualities. We always think about his sadgun, the virtues. This is mentioned in the scriptures.
वो क्या क्या काम करते हैं?
Whatever the good activities he has did.
जब तो देखो वैष्णवेर व्यवहार दुख
ये तो देखो वैष्णवेर व्यवहार दुख तवे तो जाने तुम्ही
हृदय आनंद
हृदय आनंद
परमानंद
परमानंद सुख.
ऊपर से जो दुख प्रकाश
So externally they are expressing sorrow.
क्यों दुख प्रकाश करते हैं?
Why they are expressing sorrow? We have lost this kinds of Vaishnava. Now who will give Hari Katha like him?
कितने सुंदर हरि कथा बोलते हैं।
How he beautifully used to speak Hari Katha. How we hear Hari Katha. Who will tell us now? Who will speak Hari Katha now?
माता था, वो बेटा था, ये था।
And we shouldn't think like that. Oh, he used to beat us, he used to scold us, and he used to do this, he used to do that. No,
वो मूर्ख व्यक्ति
they are the foolish person, they are foolish man.
है। उसके दोस्त देखना शुरू कर
So they are started finding faults to that Vaishnavas. No,
नहीं,
this is offense.
सुंदर गुनाह
We used to always remember their virtues, never think about their avguna. Actually there is no avguna in the Vaishnava, but just for the lok preeti in this general behavior we have seen some misbehavior. So no, we shouldn't think about that. We always think about remember his virtues, his sadguna.
मूर्ख है, उनकी गुनावली नहीं कीर्तन
We should always glorify their virtues, the guna, sadguna,
सारी गुरु
the qualities.
इतने सुंदर कथा में सुनाते हैं।
He used to speak so nice Hari Katha.
आज कौन सुनाए?
Who will tell us this kinds of Hari Katha now?
ना करो हमारे मानसिक पीड़ित था।
I never think like that. He used to beat us, he used to do this and that.
ये बड़ी विधा उनके लिए पुष्पांजलि खड़ी हो रहा है।
This is not the offering. I have seen in the internet so many kinds of foolish things are writing.
उनके गुनाहों के साथ
We should always remember his virtues, his characteristics. So that's why the meaning of viraha means vi mane special, raha mane meeting. That how he used to engage in the service of Radha and Krishna. We used to remember these kinds of things. And never criticize anybody. So sometimes if we are glorifying someone and we are criticizing another one, no, this shouldn't be happen. We should always describe the qualities of other person, and we never discriminate other person. So that's why the tav kathamritam tapta jeevanam. So whatever Bhagwan, all the bad qualities of Bhagwan is turned into the good qualities. Gopi, Bhagwan used to steal the butter. So if you tell somebody that he is thief, so what is this? This is the disquality. As I told you yesterday about Mahaprabhu. So the girls who are going to worship Shiva and Devi, they are taking some batasha, they are taking some agarbatti, bananas. So what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to do? He was a little Nimai. He used to sit there and he used to say that why are you going to worship Shiva and other devas? You worship me. So ladkiyan got feared. They scared. So some girls used to escape herself from Nimai, and Nimai used to chase those girls, and he used to say, "Oh, you worship me, worship me." Are these all Shiv, Durga and other Devi Devas? They are all my slaves. They are my das. That's why you should worship me. He is the Bhagwan himself. So externally we can see, oh, he is disturbing the girls. For disturbing the girls, it is an bad thing. making, teasing the girls, this is not good. This is the bad qualities, but for Bhagwan this is a quality. That's why Bhagwan is in the Braj, he is so much famous. He is stealing the butter. He is called the Makhan Chor. Just like, so when Bhagwan used to go somebody's house for stealing butter, and if he is not getting the fresh butter there, so what he used to do, toilets and stool there, urine and stool there. So this is the quality of Bhagwan. It is some human being doesn't have this kinds of qualities. So that's why, who is the topmost donor? Who are giving Hari Katha, who are distributing the Hari Katha and name of Bhagwan. Some people are donating grains, some people are donating water. So I praise all those kinds of people also. But if you balance all these things, so which is the topmost donation? So you will come to know the Harinam is the topmost donation. So we have started here that every night for 15 minutes we will chant the holy name. We will chant the Maha Mantra. So some people are distributing khichdi. This is good. Some people are distributing clothes. Some people are distributing monies. This is good. Some are distributing fruits. Some are distributing cows. So this is good. They are respectable to us. But if we balance all these things, that which is topmost, so Bhagwan Naam, the name of Bhagwan is the topmost donation. That's why everyone should preach. That's why the Gopiyas are saying Tav Kathamritam Tapta Jivanam. So Bhurida means the topmost donor is Bhagwan. So we will discuss this all Katha tomorrow. Gaur Premanande. Hari Hari Bol. Hare Krishna. Thank you for tolerating me. Hare Krishna. Do the Tulsi Aarti. Within few minutes you can come to the Hindi page. Okay. Hare Krishna.